dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Me know where you want.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing a review on Nadula hair, and I'm really excited to do this for you guys because I don't know, there's just something about unboxing hair and just seeing what's been sent to me and seeing exactly how it would be sent to you guys. And there's a really nice quote in here that says, "Don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep going," and I find that so nice. So they gave me some goodies in the bag, so I'm opening that for you guys and showing you. And now what you guys are here for, the hair. So it comes in a plastic bag that says the length on it, and this is the hair right here, you guys. You can tell that it's really nice already. And I'm taking off the mesh and you can see the curls. The curls are really beautiful. I can tell that it's really like lightweight, so I really like that. So I'm taking out the styrofoam that's in there, and I believe that's there to keep the shape of the wig, which is really good. But look at that, you guys. Look at that. You can tell the knots are so small, so I won't have to do any plucking at all, and I love that so much. This is how the inside looks. It has an adjustable band, which is super important because we're gonna need it so that this wig could be completely glueless. Alright, so I'm putting on the wig and I'm adjusting it to where I would like it to be. And you guys, even though the lace is looking kind of crazy right now, I can tell that this hair is going to be amazing. So this is how it looks right now, right out of the box, fresh out of the box. So I'm already looking and seeing. So this is basically like a frontal because it has a lot of lace. I forgot the dimensions. I will write it down in the description box, but anyways. Alright, so now we're going to customize the lace. And I'm going to put, usually I have my flat brush, but I'm using a beauty blender because I can't find the brush. But I'm using my Fenty bronzer, and I use my bronzer on the lace because it's the shade that's the closest to my forehead. And now I'm putting it on and we can already see a difference, you guys. It looks really good. However, I feel like I need to put a little bit more because, you know, like it's still a little bit light. So I'm just going to add a little bit more off camera, and this is how it looks. Already you can see it looks beautiful. Look at the difference. I put a before and after for you guys so you guys can really see the difference on how important it is to make sure that you customize the lace. So basically the video's done. Like, this is how you can wear it straight out the box. You just put it on. It's not glued. It's just on my head right now. So this is really nice. And I'm showing you guys over here, and I will definitely be doing some baby hairs though. So I'm just showing you guys that it's completely glueless and it looks like it's glued. Like, it looks amazing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the melting band on it, and even though I didn't glue it, I like to put this on just so that it can take the shape of my head, of my forehead, and that it could look really nice. And sometimes I even put some mousse on it, and it still makes it glueless, but at least it makes it nice and snug on your head. And now I'm going to make some baby hairs, okay? This is a really crucial part for me, especially when it comes to closures. So I'm just doing that. I cut a little bit on the side, and then I put some mousse. And then, as you can see, I swooped it up like that. And look, you guys, it's glueless and it's just staying on my head. And that's why I really like doing the whole method of putting that melting band on with some mousse, because it really helps. It really helps it just keep it down on your head. And that adjustable band at the back, it's perfect because it makes it nice and snug. And I'm putting the band one more time, and I'm just gonna let a little bit of time pass. The more you put the band, the more it's going to fit your head nicely, so that's what I'm doing. But while that's going on, I'm going to take some mousse and I'm going to put it at the top of my head just so that it could be nice and flat. And I take it off, and this is the final look, you guys. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm so in love with it. I'm so in love with the hair. And look at the hairline, you guys. Like, it looks so natural. It's glueless, and you know, it looks like it's glued on. So this is the hair right here. If there's anything I have to say about it, the only downside is that it is lightweight, and I wish it was just a little bit fuller, but other than that, this is amazing. It did not shed. I just did the shedding test. Look, you can whip your hair back and forth and the hair will stay in place. So I'm loving this right now. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time, and shout out to Nadula Hair. Bye for now.